Carburetor and Air Filter Cleaning Guide. The video content is structured in 2 parts. You will need the following tools before starting the repair. Carburetor cleaning. Use a 10 mm wrench to loosen the bolt at the bottom of the carburetor with a torque of 9 to 10 Nm. Remove the fuel bowl. Use a specialized cleaner to remove all impurities from the fuel bowl. Clean the carburetor internals. Allow about 5 to 10 minutes for the cleaner to evaporate completely. Install the fuel bowl onto the carburetor. Ensure that no internal parts become loose or are missing. Install with the side bolt facing outward for easy access during troubleshooting. The carburetor cleaning is complete. Air filter cleaning. Loose the filter fix clamp and remove the cover of the air filter. Remove the foam filter element. Clean the filter element in warm water, adding cleaner if necessary. Expel the residual water from the filter element. Saturate in clean gas. Squeeze out the excess oil from the filter element. After the gasoline has completely evaporated, assemble the filter element onto the filter unit. Assemble the filter fix clamp. Air filter cleaning is complete.